Here's the update on my hydroponic garden. Here's lettuce plants. Here's red oak leaf. And these are some spinach ones. These are the butter crunch and a romaine. Here's another romaine. Back here we got 2 tomato plants and then 4 cucumber plants. Probably gonna be cutting the cucumber plants down and starting new ones for outside. And here we got 3 different types of tomato plants. They're starting to crowd and cover up the weaker plants. So hopefully only a couple more weeks and then I'll be able to transplant them outside. And that's the update.